we never see him kick somebody in the head.
Coach, I understand and I agree with you with regards to that, dapat may consequence. Pero hindi ba ito dapat ang PBA or ang Games and Amusement Board ang mag-action? Kasi the Meralco would still want to get who they want, who they believe is gonna help them win, or the player is still gonna want the job. So, isn't this supposed to be under the purview of, of the PBA na, oy, ayusin mo muna to gulo, or Games and Amusement Board who's providing the license?
And I resent that argument. Kasi, you know, si Junmar Fajardo is being abused like a stepchild sa PBA. Grabe ang ano doon, ang pisikalan, but we never see him kick somebody in the head. 'Di ba? So, I think it also goes to the character of the player na, you know, kasi liga to eh. What if, ang sa akin lang, the staggering indifference of Meralco, na parang binaliwala nila. What if this guy loses his temper and does something even worse in the PBA? But at the same time, you cannot just ignore what happened in Dubai even though walang purview ang PBA. So yun, sangayon ako sa iyo, coach, na there has to be some measure of consequence.